To experience simplified banking, open a digital account while sitting at home. No need to step out. Pay your bills without leaving the comfort of your home. No need to rush. With a few taps, get your mobile top-up instantly. And how can we forget? You can send money to anyone. Yet another advantage. Keep your bank posted about your updated email address and phone number. For balance inquiries and transactions, just tap and download your bank statements. Now pay your liabilities on time. Pay all your credit card bills easily. Online shopping? No more payment issues. An easy way to transact online with Virtual Debit Card. Card management is super easy. Request a new card. Activate it. Change PIN, lock and unlock with the app. Same goes for this. Request a new checkbook and activate it. Most importantly, in these difficult times, make an instant donation to a charity of your choice. UBL Digital has got you covered. Stay safe. Bank safe.